Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about media buys and about traffic, and also show you exactly what you need to do to send a ton of targeted traffic to any offer or squeeze page or pre-sale page or whatever you have really. And after watching this video, you'll know exactly how to go about sending traffic to that page of yours. Right now, I'm on a website called Buy Sell Ads, and what this website does is basically act as a middleman between the publishers or the people who want to put ads on their website and get paid for it, and the advertisers, which in this case are us. And in this case, we are the advertisers. So once you go here to the marketplace, obviously, first you have to create an account and then you go to the marketplace. So once there, you'll be able to choose from different categories. And let's say you want to do health and fitness. You click on health and fitness and you're going to get a list of all the websites that are willing to put your ad on their site. So you've got a lot of medical stuff in here. All right, so let me go back to the marketplace and see if we have anything related to weight loss. Here we have food and drink and health and fitness. So I did think that was weight loss, but I'm not really seeing too many websites on weight loss here. So if that happens, then you can always search in here and just type in weight loss, and let's see what we get. So there aren't too many websites on weight loss here, but still pretty good. We've got fitbodyhq.com, and we've got WikiWeightScore and HCG Diet 411, and also Get Holistic Health, which seems to have almost 400,000 monthly impressions, which is pretty good. So let's go ahead and click on FitBodyHQ, and once you click on it, you'll be able to obviously see the website, which is highly recommended. Do not advertise anywhere without actually checking the website. So as you can see, the Venus Factor, somebody is already advertising here, which is a popular product on ClickBank, obviously. And as you can see, there are a lot of banner ads here as well. Also, another thing I like to do is just click on some of these ads and see what other people are advertising. If other people are advertising this, it obviously means that it's working for them, and especially when they're sending you directly to the offer. So if you have a look at this here, you can see that this is an affiliate. It means that this affiliate is paying this website just to have the banner on their site. And obviously, because the banner is there, he's making money. He's making more than he's paying for advertising, which is great, and it means he's making a profit. So what we want to do is also advertise here and build our email list and then send them to the offer, and that's something that I recommend you do. So as far as I'm concerned, the site is good to go. It would be a website that I would definitely advertise on. So as you can see, we can do the sidebar site-wide 125 by 125 bottom right. And there are 5 available spots right now. So also the estimated impressions that it will get is 175,000, and you pay $75 per month, which in my opinion is actually pretty good. Then we've got a few other options here in which you can pay per impression. So $3 for 1,000 impressions for the top right sidebar site-wide. And basically, once you're ready, you just click on the Buy Now button, and it gets added to your cart over here. So then you'll be able to go ahead and purchase it, and also you have the option to ask a question. So if you have any questions for FitBodyHQ, you can get in touch with them, and that's pretty much it when it comes to this site. All right, so let's take a look at GetHolisticHealth.com as well and see what the situation is like there. So as you can see here, you would pay $3 for 1,000 impressions, and this website gets 400,000 impressions per month. So it would actually cost you quite a lot to stay on this website for the entire month. So let me quickly grab my calculator. I do have to warn you, I'm not the best guy at math, but let me try to calculate this. If it's 400,000 impressions per month and you're paying $3 for 1,000 impressions, then we would do 400 times 3, and it would cost you roughly $1,200 approximately to stay on this website for one entire month. The good thing is they are charging per impression, so you can test for much less than that. You don't have to pay $1,200, just get a couple of thousand impressions, test this and see how it goes, and that's pretty much how things work. So this is how Buy Sell Ads works. As you can see, it's very simple. You pick your category, select your website, buy it, and then you can submit your banner on there. So I want to show you a really quick way to get banners done. It's called $20banners.com, and for just $20 you can get started on getting some awesome banners. So let me just go here to pricing, and if you scroll down, you'll see that the banner ads start at $20. But actually, when you look at this, the $20 banner ad is a small one, and if you want to get some of the bigger ones like the 250 by 250 pixel ads, it's going to cost you roughly $28. Again, not the end of the world, it's not that expensive, but if you're looking for an even cheaper alternative, then you might want to go to a website called Fiverr.com and get someone to design you a banner over there. So once you've got the banner, then you go back to buy sell ads and you simply submit it for approval, and once it gets approved, traffic will start coming to your site. That's how it goes when you want to do media buys and get traffic from media buy sources. So this is it for me in this video. I hope you see the potential of media buys and actually how easy it is to start advertising here and to start using this. So just before I leave and end this video, there's one more thing that I want to cover. If you're not familiar with this website, it's called Alexa.com. It's an Amazon.com company and actually provides competitive intelligence. It costs $50 a month to get the premium account with Alexa, but it does provide all the information that you need regarding a website and their audience. And I actually debuted this in the last video, so if you haven't watched it, go back and check it out. You could easily do a search here for one of these websites. So let's just say FitBody HQ. You just come to Alexa and type fitbodyhq.com. You click on it, and in just a second, it's going to give you results, and it's going to show you who the audience is that's actually visiting this website. And if you scroll down over here, you'll get to see mostly female, education, graduate school mostly, ages 25 to 24 or 24 to 25, low income, which probably has to do with the fact that the audience is much younger and also their education is only graduate school. All right, so that's pretty much it when it comes to analyzing the audience demographics of these websites. Being able to know this stuff helps you when you create your banners. When you go to $20 banner ads, you want to tell them a little bit about your audience. So you want to be able to tell them that it's mostly female, ages 25 to 34, so that you don't create something that your audience is going to click on. And this is why you need to know your audience so that you can create relevant banners that are going to drive clicks. So as you probably noticed when you looked at these sites, you're not paying per click, you're paying per impression. And this actually could be a good or bad thing. If you have a really good banner that's going to attract views, then impressions is what you'll want to do. You'll always want to pay for impressions because then you'll get the most out of it. But if you have a bad banner, then it would be better for you to pay per click. But most of these sites on buy-sell ads only do impressions, so that's why you need to create a really good banner that's going to draw attention, draw clicks, and then you'll get the most out of the money that you pay for the type of traffic. All right, guys, so that's it for me in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.